Microsoft and Meta stocks were trending yesterday, the 29th of October 2025, in the post market session. They may still be doing so in this pre market session of today, the 30th. They both saw sharp declines in their prices all around their earnings outcomes. So Microsoft down 2.59%. It has recovered from some of that decline, some of that drop. Yeah, you can see it's recovering. Extrapolation is saying that it's going to remain strong at least up till Friday, midday Friday tomorrow, the 31st. Okay. And price pressure momentums, let's see what we have down here. It's saying that, yeah, the 10 period moving average is not trending. Positions opened 40 hours ago are not in profit. The ones opened 84 hours ago are currently in profit. Projections are currently saying 540.47, 5.525.07. Intraday high of 557.50 printed on the 28th. That was a Tuesday. The probability that it will retest the highs of 544.40 is 5.4%. This was what it printed yesterday, the 29th. As it concerns Meta is yeah, it lost a lot more, down 7.14%. Has also recovered. Intraday low $680. Okay, let's see what we have for Meta. Okay, the probability that it will retest this high of 782.46, it printed on the 19th of September, is 7.23%. And as things stand right now, the extrapolation of its 3 period moving average is saying that it's going to bounce and hold strong at least up till the pre-market session of tomorrow, the that first. No guarantee that that will be the case. Okay, the 10 and 21 period moving averages are severely bearish. Positions open from 40 hours ago. Yeah, 40 hours ago, all the way towards 84 hours ago, are not in profit as things stand right now. And indeed, also, even the positions opened all the way back to 800 hours ago, they are not in profit as things stand right now. Yeah, let's find out more about what happened on there as it concerns their earnings outcomes.
Microsoft MSFT is trending as investors digest its latest earnings report and forward guidance, with discussions centering on whether the company's aggressive AI initiatives justify its premium valuation. The community remains divided. While some express concern over cautious guidance and ongoing Azure and Microsoft 365 service outages, others highlight the company's continued dominance in cloud computing and rapid monetization of AI capabilities. Microsoft reported a Q3 CY2025 operating profit of $37.96 billion, surpassing estimates on revenue of $77.67 billion, up 18.4% year over year, with a steady gross margin of 69%. The company also restructured its partnership with OpenAI, securing a $250 billion Azure contract and increasing its stake to 27%, alongside exclusive rights to OpenAI technology and a 20% revenue share. This expanded deal underscores Microsoft's intent to deepen its integration of AI across its product ecosystem. However, the company is also addressing widespread service outages affecting Azure Cloud, Microsoft 365, Outlook, Teams, Xbox Live, and Copilot. Recovery efforts are underway as Microsoft investigates the root causes, with users and investors closely monitoring updates. The stock's reaction post earnings and the balance between near term operational challenges and long term AI driven growth are central themes in community discussions. Meta Platforms, or Meta, is also trending after releasing a mixed earnings report that delivered strong revenue growth but was overshadowed by a significant one time tax charge, leading to heightened debate about its implications. Community sentiment reflects a tug of war between optimism around Meta's AI ambitions and concern over short term profitability pressures. The company announced plans to increase capital expenditures in 2025 with a focus on AI infrastructure and talent acquisition, triggering an 8% decline in its share price as investors recalibrated expectations. While Meta's earnings beat Wall Street estimates, internal performance metrics reportedly fell short of analysts' targets, raising questions about operational efficiency and execution risk. Meta is also navigating regulatory headwinds in Europe, negotiating with the European Commission over its less personalized ads framework, a policy shift that could impact regional ad revenues. In addition, the company faces youth related legal challenges expected in 2026, adding another layer of uncertainty. Despite these challenges, many investors remain bullish on Meta's long term AI and advertising strategy, viewing the company's infrastructure push as essential to sustaining growth in an increasingly AI driven digital landscape.